Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from XMO to Uphold in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, and transferring it between exchanges like XMO and Uphold is a breeze once you know the steps. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Uphold. Log into your XMO account and head over to the wallet section. Find your TRX balance, that's where the magic starts. Now, open your Uphold account in another tab. Go to your TRX wallet on Uphold and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, as it's a unique string of characters that ensures your TRX goes to the right place. Back on XMO, navigate to the withdrawal or send option for TRX. Paste the Uphold wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but be mindful of any network fees. They can vary based on Tron network congestion. Double-check the address and amount to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're confident, hit the confirm button and authorize the transaction, probably with 2FA if you have it enabled. After initiating the transfer, you'll get a transaction ID. Keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Tron Scan to track its progress. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but it can vary. Once it's done, log back into Uphold and refresh your TRX balance. You should see the funds there. A quick tip: always start with a small test amount if you're new to this, and never share your private keys or wallet details. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.